Welcome back, everybody, to the KRR, known as Kiamichi Railroad. Looks like I'm filming the old school way when I first started. I don't know, I think my tripod stands at the house, so I have to run all the way back to the house to see if it's there. If not, somebody got in my truck and just took my tripod. So, till then, I'll be on this thing. So here we go. Alrighty, there goes my number one conductor and engineer on the Kiamichi Railroad. That is my friends, known as my brothers, Eddie and Ronnie. They're on their way to Valiant to change out with the Valiant crew, and then they're gonna hook the local with the mid-run from Ashdown to Hugo, and on the Hugo they're gonna go. Tonight's the last time they're gonna run, so I'm glad. I'm just picking days, but there's no telling when I'm gonna be out filming my good old friends here on the Kiamichi Railroad into the Queen Eastern. I don't know, guys. How come y'all not giving me a lot of views on the Queen Eastern Railroad, guys? I don't know what's wrong with that railroad company that some of y'all may not like. It's about like the Kiamichi Railroad. So, come on, guys, give me some likes on that video. There's some good old boys on there. Well, like I said, I might go to the house right quick and see if I can go find my tripod. Now, if I can't find it, then I'll have to get me another one. So, nothing wrong with that. So now I'm back doing it the old school way. So, there they go on their way to Valiant. So, here in Idabel, Oklahoma. So guys, come on down, visit me. But please, guys, get your COVID shots and be safe out there. The Delta virus is prudent. So please, guys, please be aware of that. And please be mindful of others, guys. I took a magnet to my skin right there, and it's fine. So it's fine. So get your vaccine shot. Save yourself from COVID-19 and keep from the shutdown. That something, I don't know. But guys, please get your COVID vaccine. I'm saying that more than twice. But see you guys later. Marshing out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.